That is my favorite. That's a service call for some of you people out there. No, if you have a 1-inch filter, check the filter once a month. At least check it once a month. Change as needed. Some filters out there do only have to be replaced once a year. However, majority of them, once a month.
To learn more, check out our other videos on our Vogel YouTube channel or call us directly at our office.
At 314-351-2533, schedule a service today.